I'm going to be showing you how to transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another. So to transfer WhatsApp to a new phone, you need to back up your chats on your old phone using a cloud service like Google Drive or local transfer. So the first thing you need to do is back up on your old phone. So what you need to do on your old phone is just open WhatsApp. It's right there. Just go ahead and open it. Look at the bottom where you can see all these options. You just need to find settings at the bottom right. So go ahead and tap here and you need to go on and just go to chats, which is right below privacy. Just tap here and now tap on chat backup, which is above export chat. Once you're here, you need to make sure you've backed up everything. You have the option to back up right here and just choose backup. And that's it. Now what you need to do is set up your WhatsApp in your new phone. Just go ahead and download and open WhatsApp in your new phone and agree to the terms, verify your phone number and select your language. And when prompted, just choose to restore from backup. All you need to do is sign in with the same Google or iCloud account you used on your old phone and just wait for your chats and media to restore. So in this way, you can successfully transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.